This video is a continuation of previous video. If you want to watch that video, link for the same would be at the top of this video or in the description box. So let's start with this linear equation in one variable, exercise 2.2. The first question: if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 upon 2, you get 1 upon 8. What is the number? First of all, by reading this question, you should understand what they are asking you to find out. They are asking that number from which 1 by 2 is being subtracted. If you see the first part of the question which says, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, what do you mean by that? The number which they are asking us to find out, from that 1 by 2 is being subtracted and that result is multiplied by 1 by 2. This was the left hand part, and onto the right hand side means you get means what? Equal to. So onto the RHS side 1 by 8. The number which they are asking us to find out, that we are labeling it as a required number. So the required number be x. As per the condition in the question, the number which they are asking us to find out, from that we are subtracting 1 by 2. So number minus 1 by 2. And this whole thing is being multiplied by 1 by 2. Accordingly, the expression becomes number minus 1 by 2 whole multiplied by 1 by 2. If you see in the question, we get means what? Equal to. And onto the RHS side, you are getting 1 by 8. So this way we have formed linear equation in one variable. Onto the left hand part of the equation, this whole expression is multiplied by half. Since half is multiplied with the expression, we need to cancel this half. For that, we are going to take the reciprocal of the same. Since it is multiplied, to remove half, we need to divide by half. Dividing both the side of the equation by half, the resultant equation that we have is this. Since half is divided with the expression, if we want to convert division sign into multiplication sign, what do? We need to reciprocate it. Reciprocal is nothing but whatever the value which is there in the numerator, it comes in the denominator, and whatever the value which is there in the denominator, it comes to numerator. And division sign gets changed into multiplication sign, as you can see on the screen. So the next linear equation that we have is this: x minus 1 by 2 whole multiplied by 1 by 2 into 2 upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 8 into 2 by 1. Now this 2 will get cancelled, and 2 1s are 2 4s are. This expression x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 by 4. We are going to solve by transposition method. In this case, we want the value of variable x. All the numbers alongside of variable x have to be removed in order to get the value of x. So we are going to remove minus half by transposition. If it is switching from the left hand part of the equation to the right hand part of the equation, it is going to turn into plus half. New equation that we have is this: x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 upon 2. Now if you see both the fraction denominator, their denominator are not same. For that, we need to make the denominator equal. The first fraction has 4 as a denominator and the second fraction has 2 as a denominator. We can easily make this 4 by multiplying with 2 both numerator and denominator of this fraction. So the resultant equation that we have is x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 2 1s are 2 upon 2 2s are 4. Now both the fraction have same denominator. We can bring together the numerators. To the next line, x is equal to 1 plus 2 upon 4. 1 plus 2 is 3, and in denominator we write single time the common denominator to both the fractions. So we have the value of x as 3 by 4. Therefore the required number is 3 by 4. Question 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? In this question, first we are going to list all the given quantities. The first quantity that they have given us is perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool, that is 154 meters. The next statement from the question is, if we notice this statement properly, length is being compared with breadth. Some changes are made to breadth. That changes is equal to the length of the swimming pool. By this statement, we get to know to whom length is being compared, to breadth. So we are going to consider breadth as a certain variable. Let the breadth of the swimming pool equal to a meter. Have a look at the statement. Length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So twice its breadth means what? 2 times a. So the length of the swimming pool would be, is means equal to 2 meter 2 more than plus twice its breadth 2 times breadth, that is 2 times a. So the expression become 2 plus 2a whole bracket meter. Now, as per the condition which is given in the question, we are going to frame the linear equation. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 bracket length plus breadth. At the place of length, we are going to substitute 2 plus 2a. At the place of breadth, we are going to substitute a. 2a plus a, both terms have same variable, we can add them. 2a plus a is equal to 3a. Now, outside a bracket is 2, so we are going to multiply this 2 to the bracket. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 into 3a, 6a. Now, the next equation that we have is 154 meter is equal to 6a plus 4. Since we want the value of variable a, we need to remove all the numbers which are connected with variable a. For that, first we are going to remove 4. Since 4 is added to the variable, so subtracting both the side of the equation by 4. 4 subtracted from 154 is 150 plus 4 minus 4 would get cancelled. 6 is multiplied with the variable. We need to divide. So dividing both the side of the equation by 6. We have 150 upon 6 is equal to 6a upon 6. Now 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. During division we are left with the remainder as 3. 3 0 30. So when does 30 come in the table of 3? 6 are. So 6 5s are 30. Onto the RHS side, 6 6 cancel. So we have the value of variable a as 25. If you remember, we have taken a as a breadth of the rectangle. So we have the breadth of the rectangle as 25 meter. We had framed an expression for length of the rectangle 2 plus 2a. At the place of a, we are going to substitute 25. Since we have the value of a as a 25, so 225 is a 50, 2 plus 50 is 52. By this we can say the length and the breadth of the rectangular swimming pool are 52 and 25 respectively. Third question, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 upon 3 cm. Perimeter of a triangle is mixed fraction of 4, 2 upon 15 cm. What is the length of either of remaining equal sides? Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which out of 3 sides of a triangle, 2 sides are of equal length. Now, in this question, they are asking us to find those 2 equal sides. So, that is the statement says, what is the length of either of remaining equal sides? So, what are the given data? Base of the isosceles triangle as 4 upon 3 cm. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle as a mixed fraction of 4, 2 upon 15 cm. We are going to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. How do we do that? Multiply the middle number with the denominator and then add with the numerator. So 4 into 15 plus 2 upon denominator, that is 15. 4 15s are 60 plus 2 upon 15. 60 plus 2, 62 upon 15. So 62 upon 15 centimeter as the perimeter of an isosceles triangle in the form of improper fraction. In isosceles triangle or any triangle, the number of sides are 3. In this case, since it is an isosceles triangle, there are 2 sides which are of equal length, and third side they are calling it as base. So we have perimeter of an isosceles triangle is equal to sum of the 2 equal sides plus third side, which is the base side. In this case, the length of the equal side be a and the length of unequal side be variable b. Now in the formula of perimeter of isosceles triangle, at the place of 2 equal side, that is a plus a is equal to 2a, and at the place of unequal side 4 upon 3 centimeter. At the place of perimeter, we are going to substitute 62 upon 15. Now we have the linear equation as 62 upon 15 is equal to 2a plus 4 by 3. So in this linear equation, we need to free the variable a in order to get its values. So we are going to remove all the numbers which are connected with variable a. First we are going to remove plus 4 by 3. So subtracting both the side of the equation by 4 by 3. Now we have the resultant linear equation as 62 upon 15 minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2a plus 4 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3. Onto the RHS side, plus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 will get cancelled, and onto the LHS side, now if you see the fractions 62 upon 15, 4 upon 3, both fractions don't have equal denominator. For that we need to make both the denominator of fraction equal. Fraction 62 upon 15 already have a 15 as the denominator, and 4 upon 3 has 3 as a denominator. We can easily make it 15 by multiplying both numerator and denominator by 5. 4 5s are 20, 3 5s are 15. Now both the fraction have equal denominator, so we can bring together the numerator. Now if you subtract 20 from 62, you are going to get the result as 42. In denominator, you are going to write single 15. Again, 2 is multiplied with the variable a. So, dividing both the side of the equation by 2. So, we have 42 upon 15 into 2 is equal to 2a upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. Now, onto the RHS side, 2 2 will get cancelled. 21 upon 15. Again we can divide with the help of 3's table. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. So we have the value of a as 7 upon 5. Now this improper fraction we can convert it into mixed fraction. Onto the RHS side. Now 5 is the divisor, 7 is the dividend. 5 ones are 5. 5 subtracted from 7 is 2. We have the quotient as 1, remainder as 2 and 5 as a divisor. Converting this improper fraction into a mixed fraction as QRD. Quotient will come in the middle, that is 1, remainder in the numerator and divisor in the denominator. 1 as a quotient, 2 as a remainder and 5 as a divisor. Therefore, the length of the either of remaining equal side is equal to mixed fraction of 1 2 upon 5 centimeter. Fourth question, the sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. Now, in this case, we have one number and the second number, and addition of these two numbers is equal to 95. This is what the first statement of the question signify. So accordingly, let the one number be A, and for the second number they have given us condition. What they are saying by this statement, if one number exceed the other by 15. They are saying if one number is something, if you add 15 to that number, it will become the second number. We have considered the one number as A. If we are adding 15 to this number, that expression will be equal to the second number. So we have the second number as A plus 15. So according to the condition which is given in the question, we have first line sum of two number is 95. We have considered them as one number and the second number. The first number is A and the second number is A plus 15. Is means equal to sign 95. So we have the linear equation as A plus bracket of A plus 15 bracket close is equal to 95. Before A there is no number, means it has 1. A plus A are like terms. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2A. Plus 15 is equal to 95. Now, in this equation we want the value of A. We need to remove all the numbers which are associated with A. First we are going to remove 15 since it is added to the equation, subtracting both the side of the equation by 15. Now, plus 15 minus 15 will get cancelled. And onto the RHS side, 15 subtracted from 95 is 80. So we are left with 2A is equal to 80. Now, since 2 is multiplied with a variable, so dividing both the side of the equation by 2. 2 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, which is equal to 40. So A is equal to 40. Therefore, we can say the one number is A, which is equal to 40, and the second number as B, which is equal to A plus 15, which is equal to 40 plus 15, which is equal to 55. Now, this was the first four sum of exercise 2.2. If you have any doubt related with the same, you can comment down below. If you like the video, click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.